Hi guys, I just want to show you how to answer test 2 part B question. Okay, so we have the dwarf lupins with blue and pink flowers, and pink is the recessive, blue is dominant. So that's very important. You have to identify which one is the recessive first. And then it says what is the allele frequency, and it also states that it is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. So when this is mentioned, you already straight away know that P plus Q equals to 1. And from there you get the equation P square plus 2PQ plus Q square equals to 1. Okay, and then you want the allele frequency. Remember that we have phenotype frequency. Yes, we have genotype frequency and allele frequency. Those are all different things. Most of you answered actually phenotype frequency. When you say, okay, so I say pink would be, phenotype frequency would be 25 out of the 3316. And blue would be, the phenotype blue would be, its frequency would be 3291 out of the 3316. That is actually phenotype frequency. And then you have genotype frequency. The genotype frequency means what would be the frequency for big B, and what would be the frequency for big B, and what would be the frequency for small b. And for this question, what you want is allele frequency. When saying allele frequency would be the singular. So you have the big B or the small b. And remember when we learned the Hardy-Weinberg equation, for the dominant we use P, and for the recessive we use Q. And from there, remember this. This is what you have to use, this equation. Okay, so since like I said before, you have to always start with the recessive. So the recessive, say, even though the first question is allele big B, you always have to start with the recessive. The recessive is pink. Why is that? It's because you notice here, if it's dominant, it can be these two. It can be the big B, and it can be the big B small b, and we don't want the small b, we want the big B only. Okay, so for big B, it would be P square, and for small b, it would be Q square. So Q square equals to 25 out of 3316, because it can only be this one. So from there, you get 0.0075. Most of you just stop at this number, when it is actually, you have to root square this. 0.0075 root square. So the answer is actually 0.0868 for Q. But for A, what you want is B, big B. So P plus Q equals to 1. We want P, so 1 minus Q, so 1 minus 0.0868. So the answer for A is actually 0.9132. And straight away from there, the answer for B is 0.0868. So that's how to answer this question. That's all for today. Okay, bye.